guys, so what's up? Not much. I guess you know what time it is. It is start time. I'm gonna try to start this thing. I don't know. I mean, I hope it cranks. I've been over everything. Fuel's good. All the vacuum stuff is good. I don't have any fuel leaks anywhere. I'm pretty sure she'll crank. So I guess on with the BS and let's see if it doesn't blow up or fuel pumps on and give it a try. Starts. Sorry, I kind of forgot about you guys. I was so focused on making sure it was running right and making sure the air fuel and everything was right, making sure I wasn't having any boost leaks or any fluids leaking or anything like that and all that stuff. I kind of just was I kind of forgot it was recording, so I backed the car out of the garage and I was like, oh yeah, the camera's still running. So sorry about that, but it does run. I still got a lot to do. I still got to wire up the boost controller and stuff like that. Still got to wire up the EP3 stuff, but it does start. That's at least a positive thing. It doesn't sound like it's gonna die or anything like that. No smoke. So I mean, it still needs a tune. Obviously, I can't get down on it or anything like that because the car's not tuned. But I mean, it does idle. It does it moves around. It sounds good. Doesn't break up or anything like that. So all right, guys. Well, I mean, still got a lot to do. So still probably gonna I still gotta cut the exhaust. Still gotta cut the hood, I'm probably gonna take all this stuff off and then I might paint it or coat it or something like that. So I'm probably just gonna take everything apart and redo it again. But if you guys got any color choices for me, let me know. For turbo engine, or if you like it like this, if you just like it like that, we can leave it like that. Finished up the interior stuff too, so actually let me show you that stuff right now if you don't mind. Alright, so here's the bay. Wiped it off a little bit so it looks a little bit cleaner, but not too bad. I mean, everything's in there. It runs and moves and drives. So alright, that's the bay. If you guys got any color combinations, let me know. If you guys say, hey, your bay looks like a hot mess, you need to tuck that. So I might clean it up a lot. This is just prelim, just trying to get the car running and make sure it moves and everything. So it does do all that. So now it's time to clean up, maybe paint the intercooler piping or wrap my manifold, coat it or something like that, or paint turbo, paint valve cover, paint the RBC. I don't know. Whatever you guys think, let me know. We'll go ahead and throw it on there. But alright, let's check the inside out too. Alright, so here's the inside of the car. Everything's nice and clean, legit. Type R cluster. Wired up the push to start too. Probably need to do a video on that. But I mean, it should be pretty good. She should start up.
let's see here. Let's change that. I don't like how that looks. That looks pretty good. Wired up the push to start, so fuel pumps on. I got 2 fuel pumps, but you know, we don't need 2 fuel pumps just to start it on all that. But I mean, she should crank. I got the push to start wired up, so when I put my foot on the clutch, the light comes on. So all right, let's see if she starts. Yeah, so she's running. I don't know.